Welcome, today I am with ASUS ROG Phone 5S and I'll show you how you can apply tempered glass on display in this phone. So at first you have to remember about the good lighting condition to see a very mess that you have on your display. Right now we are going to open the box with the tempered glass. Inside you will find two wipes and also the glass itself. So at first we are going to use wet wipe to clean mess, greasy marks and fingerprints from the screen. So we have to make few moves. You have to remember to reach every corner and edge. Okay. And right now when you clean your screen you have to move to the dry wipe and you have to remove wet cleaning marks. So just do the same. Few moves and the display will be in the very well condition. Okay, as you can see right now the display looks fine. There is no any problem, there is no piece of the dust or something like that. So we can finally grab the glass. We have to grab the glass like that and we have to remove this foil. So grab it and remove. In my case there's the problem because the sticker is not following with the foil that is attached right here. So we have to remove this foil manually in this problem. So we have to put your fingernail underneath this foil right here on the corner. Take a look. It's not that super easy, but after a few tries you will get it, just like me. And right now just remove it slowly. The next step, just hold your glass like that. You have to take a look one more time on the display and be sure that there is everything fine. I can find here a few pieces of the dust that just pops, so I'm gonna remove them. Swipe in the one direction with your wipe. Okay, right now that's fine. Oh, there's one more. Actually, it was on the wipe, but never mind. Next, grab your protection like that. Put the upper section of the glass on your screen and keep holding the bottom part. Just like that. If everything is fine, you put it correctly for the both edges. You have to click right here, hold, and then put the bottom part. And take a look. It will go automatically, but you can speed it up by pressing with your finger. It's almost finished. Right now we have to remove this air bubbles, so we can make it by pressing on them and they will just disappear. This one from the middle we have to push to one of the edge. And right now if you have any glue marks under the glass, you have to press on them, they will disappear. If you cannot remove them by pressing, they will disappear after a few days, so we don't have to worry about that. Okay, right now we can turn on our device. And as you can see right now, everything is fine. No problem with the touch interaction, so we can easily install glass on this phone. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.